aunt thinks that she's gonna threaten me and get any kind of work done. But it's enough now. Not anymore. I'm gonna show her that I can also do many things without her help.
Master Aladdin, you must have heard the name. You can do a lot of things. I will help you out.
Oh my god. It almost slipped my mind that you are with me, my Genu.
Oh my goodness, what is this madness? Master, you need food items at home, right? So command me. With my magic, I will fill the entire house.
No. Hey, Genu, you shouldn't bring the food items with magical powers. Because after having your magical laddus, I started dancing. Genu, your magic is still incomplete and it even backfires at times.
Don't say that, Master. It is not my fault. It is that queen's fault, who turned a sweet human like me into a genie, and that too such a genie who has no experience of performing magic, of being a genie. Master, no problem if you don't want the food items. Give me some other command. I would like to help you, my master.
Genu,
Yes.
I want to do something that no one has ever done, so that my name gets famous all over everywhere.
Something that no one has ever done before. And you become famous also. What can that be?
Come on, think about it.
Master Aladdin, the name you've heard before.
Genu, where have we come?
Master Aladdin, the name you've heard before. We are on the highest mountain of the world, and you're the first person to reach this spot. You are the first person.
Yes, you are right. I am the first person to do this, to climb this mountain and die out of fear.
Oh my goodness, what is this madness? Baghdad. Master Aladdin, you must have heard the name. Master, we have reached Baghdad. At least stop shivering now.
Baghdad.
Yes. Baghdad?
Genu, your thoughts are out of this world. No. I would like to stay here and do something good. I would like to do business. Can you help me with that?
Oh, yes. It's a very good idea. But what kind of business?
A business whose expense is less and earning is pretty high.
Such a business in which expense is less and earning is more. What could that business be?
Come on, think about it.
I got that. Hocus pocus, focus, hocus. May
Please
my
tell me.
magic work.
Tell
You
me,
don't
what
need
is it?
to spend even a penny. By sitting at a place, you can earn money. Please give him alms in the name of God.
Oh my god! Genu! What on earth is this? Feeding me to the lion would have been better. Give me my dress back.
Oh my goodness, what is this madness? No problem, master. I have many more businesses at a snap of my finger.
No, Genu. No, don't do that, Genu. Let it be. This business and stuff is a big headache. I'm gonna take up a job. Yes.
Fine, master. But job? Master!
Very good. That's better.
Listen, Nazneen. Aren't these the bracelets that Rukhsar had pledged with you when Aladdin had fallen ill in childhood and she was in need of money?
Well, the thing is, you may consider this as Rukhsar's bracelets, Aladdin's cuffs around his leg, or Aladdin's noose around his neck. All are one and the same.
Fantastic! But I don't understand.
A person with such a small brain won't understand it either. No need to think too much. My darling son, the apple of my eye. Gullu, Gulbadan, where are you? Come
Mother,
fast. What happened?
What happened?
Mother, the way you called me out, I thought that father passed away.
Passed away.
Father!
My dear, do me a small favor.
Tell me, mother, I can do anything for you.
I doubt about that. But hide this pouch in Aladdin's chamber. And be careful. No one should spot you.
Mother, I will do exactly as you say. But what will I get in return?
You have taken after me. You don't do any job without expecting a reward. I'll give you 2 annas.
Okay, mother, I will be right back.
I swear on the gold coins. Now wait and watch. What a big trouble Aladdin will land into. Aladdin will be accused. That too for stealing his mother's bracelets. Rukhsar will hang her head in complete shame. And Aladdin, he will stand at our door in embarrassment all his life.
Oh my god. There's not a single job for me in the entire Baghdad.
Master Aladdin, the name you've heard before, had you been tall, then you would have got the job of applying coal in the camel size. And had you been a little educated, you have gotten the job of teaching children. But no problem. I feel that one day you will get a very well paid job.
I don't want false assurance, I just need a job.
What?
If you cannot help me out, then keep your mouth shut, and if you cannot keep your mouth shut, hit the road.
As you wish, my master.
Somehow I need to earn 3 gold coins. If not, then there won't be anything left to eat tomorrow. Instead of this incomplete genie, I wish I could perform magic. Genu, where did this Genu go?
30, 40.
What are you doing?
Master, you only asked me to hit the road. I'm hitting it. Now let me know how many times do I hit it.
Genu! Till my head!
Till your head? Here you go.
Genu! Go and bring me my bag. We need to find a job today anyhow.
As you wish, my master. I will be right back, master. Need a young man at the artist shop. Salary 3 gold coins? Oh my goodness! What is this madness?
My plans had got foiled on the occasion of Jasne-Fateh because I was destined for a bigger victory. I became the Lord of the Emperor.
But Lord, what will be our next step?
To catch that black thief. Even if he's hiding under the ground, doesn't matter, I will trace him at any cost. And give him such a death that even death will be terrified. But before that, I would like to give myself a very rare gift. Princess, 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 Yasmin. Today, the Emperor Shah Nawaz will announce my wedding with Princess Yasmin. Praise to the Almighty. Princess Yasmin, no matter how far you go from me, I will surely marry you. The distance between us doesn't matter at all. I am going to bridge it all.
Where did this genie disappear and I'm running
Oh
out
my
of time
goodness! What is this madness? Oh my goodness! What is this madness? Master,
and why are you dancing?
you have got a job, Master Aladdin, the name you have heard before.
Gino, if this turns out to be a rotten joke of yours then...
Here's the advance amount.
You're really not joking?
No?
Have I really found a job?
Yes.
Wow, Chinu! Thanks for making me happy! But what's this job?
Nothing. You just have to stand.
Alright.
Oh my goodness!
What is this madness?
Piddi, I am very happy today. My dream of becoming the Queen of Baghdad is going to get fulfilled. I'm losing my patience. I am waiting when father would make an announcement.
Princess, it is quite obvious. His Majesty is taking his time to come to the court.
The result of my hard work of so many years depends on Chumman's performance. If he does his job properly, then Baghdad and this rare diamond shall be mine.
I apologize to you, Master. But what if Jumman spoils our game? Then?
Then he will have to die. Before he discloses my name, his soul shall rest in peace.
Pay attention, everybody. The pride of Baghdad, Emperor Shah Nawaz, is now arriving. Emperor Shah Nawaz.
Long live!
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 Emperor Shah Nawaz.
Long live! The wait is about to come to an end. I shall be the Empress of Baghdad.
Everything is happening as per my plan. Princess Yasmin shall be mine.
Seems like Aunt is busy with some work. This is the right time to hide this pouch in my brother's room. My brother Aladdin. A storybook!
Gulbadan, when did you come?
That is not important, Aunt. Just read out a beautiful story from this book for me. I have seen this book after a long time.
Sure, I will tell you. Hey, why did the weather change all of a sudden? You be here, I shall get the clothes. Okay? Then I will come and read out a story for you.
A storybook? Oh God! I forgot to do the work which mother has allotted. I must finish the work before aunt comes back here. Where should I hide this? No. Where should I hide this? I will hide it here. No one will get to know. I must keep this here. My work is done.
Hey, Gulbadan. What is that you're so happy about?
I'm sorry, aunt, but I cannot tell you.
As you wish. I shall read out the story to you. Come, sit.
All right, aunt. It's been a while since you read out a story to me. But earlier, brother and I used to trouble you so much to hear story from you.
I remember. Aladdin still gets adamant to hear the stories. But you don't come anymore. He would have been so happy to see you here. I would have happily read a story for both of you. But I wonder where he must be wandering for his mother.
Aunt, the story.
Yes.
Wow! You are great, master. Nobody would have done such a great job. You are standing in one position without moving. Master, I am certain that you shall not move no matter what. Even if the ants bite your foot like this. Or even a pigeon do this. Or even the small chicken tickle you. But you shall not move.
Keep your mouth shut, Jinu.
But master, I am telling the truth. Only a lizard can be still for this long.
Where is it? Where is this a lizard?
I cannot accept such humiliation of the art and the artist.
So then, how would you tolerate it?
Do not make fun of the profound artist of Baghdad, Razak. Otherwise I shall spoil your face and then blacken your face, and after that hang you at the entrance of Baghdad.
Please forgive me. Please forgive us. He shall not repeat this mistake. Come back, Jinu. Whether there's a lizard or a crocodile, I'm not gonna move.
Yes, that shall be best for you.
You are insulting my master? Oh my goodness! What is this madness? Master, you just stand here in the same position. I will sing a song to entertain you. May the entire Baghdad becomes a statue. I am a jovial person. My dear people, fill your pockets, fill your pockets. My dear people,
My lord, all of a sudden, what has happened to your eyes?
Pie nut, why are all of them after my eyes? Anything can happen anytime. When your beautiful face is in front of me, then it doesn't matter if I see with one eye or both the eyes. It seems like I have embarrassed you in front of everybody.
No, my lord. There is nothing as such.
Then since I have professed my love, then I want a reply as well.
My lord?
Stop this foolish person, or else he shall ruin our plan.
I beg your pardon for interrupting you, my lord. But I would like to ask you, for what reason have you called all of us over here? Yes. I have called all of you over here because I want to make an announcement about Princess Yasmin. And I hope that all of you shall shower your blessings upon her, since she is going to begin her new journey. After thinking about it, I have taken this decision that the Princess of Baghdad, Yasmin, it is time to get her married.